Microphone checker. Okay.
Hey.
Microphone checker.
It's your boy Mike, man. Fat Boy Slim 813, man. I'm give y'all a little something, man. You know, I ain't mixed it down and broke it up how I wanted to do it. I just throw it together. So I'm gonna get it to you like this. I be inviting, just looking, nigga. You the same one talking about your bully niggas. I wish you would come and test me. 40 Glock, pop your head, drop you down to your knees. And this my boy, M.O.T. baby. I'm from the West. Act like you don't know me. I see about you. I be about you. At your homeboy house, in them bushes about you. Fuck nigga, you can get it if you want to. I got dollars that'll make a nigga do you. Nigga know what? I be in the truck like, what up? Hollin' at these pet assholes. Fuck with your boy, you blow it down your nose. Pussy ass nigga, yeah, you just blow your nose. I know about you, your own head. I'm a young shorty, pussy nigga with bread. Fuck nigga, you can get if you want one. Man, talk about a knot, cause I got those knots. Fuck yo, pussy nigga, get bite. Yeah, I stay on good liquor, and I stay beamed up too anyway. So I'm ready to pop off any day. Fuck with me, you know me.
M.O.T. Westside OG.
Hey, bitch, I rep 813, all in the 863 where I be. Hoes giving head, suck a nigga dick so long, hammer leg dead. Cause I'm a G nigga. Slide by across the bridge, nigga. Where my hometown. 813. Hoes sucking dick so heavily. Slow head, go ahead. I skeet it on my forehead. This hard, man. I $30 trick. Hey, cause the 30 that I gave her, I could've gave you. Something to a nigga like me, baby boy.
But you be just capping.
Nigga bitching about they 30 bucks when the hoe didn't even wanna fuck you. I don't give a fuck, homeboy, cause I'm not you. I'ma give my cash, might have an eating ass. Not my ass, just a bitch I brought with me. See me in the back, homeboy, drinking 80. And I'm motherfucking not beefed up like 50. Call me Fat Boy, Cadillac and laid back. Fat Boy Slim when I'm getting at your bitch though. Holla at your boy, cause I be talking shit, bro. And I keep them $100 bills with me, ho. Yeah, you know, like I said, man.